Hi. Are you done fighting? Yeah? Are you guys done fighting? Hey, what is up, guys? It's Girl here, Lonely Gamer Girl. And, Happy New Year's. It's 2017. Wow. I don't know how long it has been since I started YouTube, but I can't believe I still have subscribers that subscribe to me and stuff like that. And okay, that's just weird right there. I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing and commenting and liking on my videos and stuff like that. I will try to upload more, but I think it's going to be on my tablet because I can do more stuff on there. Bella! You're all dirty, by the way. Look at that. You're dirty. You're a dirty girl. But yeah, since I have a tablet now, I could record on that, or I could edit it. Excuse me. I can edit. You took a bath. So yeah, thank you guys for liking and subscribing. Okay, Bella, you're doing a huge ass hole right there. Are you having fun? Are you having fun, young lady? Oh my god, I never seen a puppy this dirty before. Never in my whole entire life. Say hi, Bella. Ah! You're kissing the camera. It's all dirty now. Hold on, guys. Don't know why she has the camera all dirty now. And it's unfocused. There we go. She's digging for treasure. Hi, do you want to say something to the camera, puppy? You're all dirty. Stop digging, young lady. Stop digging. Hey, stop. Well, she needs the bath. A clean one also. You're all dirty, Bella. You're a dirty girl. She's still digging. Bella, what are you trying to find? Gold? Are you just digging holes to build your bones in? Oh, Jesus Christ. Bella! You're gonna fall in the hole. That hole's bigger than you, actually. Actually, that hole's deep. I never seen a hole that deep before. And she's still digging for gold. This is gonna be all about Bella digging a hole. Now we know that she loves the outside world. Her head fits in it. Are you going to China or something? Cause like that's where you're digging. Are you going to China? 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 These two over here, Nani and Pebbles, they're trying to escape. They escaped like so many times I can't even count it, and there she comes. She's all clean now. So I'm gonna show you guys. So this is another one of Bella's holes, but where we have this is because that's where they escape from. Nani and Pebbles. That's where they escape from, right here. That's where they escape from. So I took my time to go out there, and they're fighting again. You guys are gonna be famous one day. Puppies. There's 2 puppies, and then the Chihuahua is old as heck. Hey. Pebbles, the white one, used to be scared of Bella, the black one. I'm not being racist for all of you out there. I'm not being racist. But they used to get, come on. Bella, Nani, Pebbles, let's go. Come on. Oh, Jesus Christ, these 2 are gonna kill each other. Yo, leave her alone, man. Hey. Yo. Hey. Sometimes I worry about them. But yeah, happy new year. 2017. And I'm gonna show you guys the hole now. That hole is deep as well. She's building, she's as you can see, she wants to go to China. And Bella! Bella! Pebbles! Oh my god, these 2 are really to kill each other. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, I have to stop these 2. They're gonna kill each other. She's yanking her by the ear. Yo, you 2, stop it. Yeah, you almost went the hole. I know they're puppies, but these, Jesus Christ, she's a pit bull. She's a pit bull. She's just an ordinary dog. Do you want to tell me why you're digging that hole? And there you go again, digging that hole. I guess she's hot, so she's building that. But I feel like she's going to China. I lost another dog. Hold on. There you go, see? She's trying to find a way out. They're escaping. Nani, come! Are you 2 done fighting? That's why you're kissing me? Anina. Oh, Jesus Christ, I should have known you were to do that. So, Nani, wanna go inside? Come on, let's go inside. I'll get you guys water. But, yeah. Hey! Okay, if you guys not hear that, someone just got her, so... And there goes the little dog bothering the Chihuahua. I just realized this video is about all of them, because they're puppies and they're cute. They're adorable. But, yeah, happy 2017. New year. Big account. Let's see if I could do more stuff on my YouTube career, or YouTube channel. I don't know why I did this. I have no idea why. My YouTube career and YouTube channel. I know it's not gonna grow that much as it is, because I am, like I said, I'm trying my best. But since I'm in a chorus group, which is singing, I go to places, I have to practice and stuff like that. So yeah. However, guys, happy 2017, happy New Year's, happy holidays, whatever it is to you guys. And I'll see you guys probably in the next video. Bye.